Hi guys, my name is Bapi Hamed and welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video, I'm going to show you one amazing features of our Euron platform. So with this features actually, you can earn money. So the feature name is partnership. So if you go to our Euron portal, I will give the link in my description section. So from there, you can create one account. And after that, you can get this particular dashboard, okay? Then at the left side, you will see this option called partnership, okay? Now, if you open up your partnership, you will get your own partnership link, okay? Now here you can share this partnership link in your social media. So what will happen if anyone is using your link and they're creating the account in the Euron? So this is going to be your user, okay? That means if the user is going to purchase anything from the Euron platform, okay, in future, so you will get 50% of the revenue, okay, of that sale. So let's say this link you have shared in your social media and your friend actually, let's say, will create one account in our Euron platform. Then if he is purchasing anything, okay, let's say, so I think you know inside Euron we are having so many courses, whether it is a recording courses, whether it's let's say live courses, all kinds of courses we are having. Let's say if that user is going to purchase any course, let's say this course price is, let's say, 2,000 rupees, okay? So here he will be getting 50% of the revenue of that particular sale. So here everything is already written. If you just come here, if you read here, let's say if you're in India, so in India actually you can directly get the payment, okay, with the help of net banking. So just try to provide your details, and if you submit, instantly you will be getting the payment. And whenever you are actually, let's say, using this particular, let's say, net banking and all, so here you can see 50% of the revenue after deducting the payment gateway transaction fee, 80% of GSTs. That means whatever GST is there after deducting, actually you will be getting that much of amount, okay? So that's how actually you can use this partnership actually features of Euron. Because see, nowadays actually marketing is transparent to everyone, because all the companies, all the platform, they are doing the marketing, okay? If you're not doing marketing, definitely user won't be coming in your portal, okay? So it's not about this platform. Every platform is doing the marketing, whether it's a YouTube, Facebook, okay, every platform doing their marketing, and they're also giving some, let's say, revenue to the user. Let's say if I'm talking about YouTube, so whenever creators are actually creating content in YouTube, right? So they're also getting some, let's say, revenue from the YouTube. So I think 44% revenue they are giving to the creators, okay? So that's how all the platform are now sharing their revenue with the, let's say, user, with their creators and all. So that's how you will be also getting this kinds of benefit in the Euron. It's not like that you will be spending the money. So here you have the power to earn money also. So only you just need to share this link, okay, in your social media. You just need to promote this link, and if anyone is actually coming, okay, if they are creating the account, that user would be your user. Not only this partnership link, if you go to any kinds of, let's say, courses, so there also you will see the sharing option, okay? Let's say if I click here, so you can copy this link, and now if I share this, let's say, course in my social media, even if someone is clicking here and if they are coming here, let's say they are creating the account and they're coming in our portal, again, that user would be yours, okay? Not only courses, it would be also applicable for the books. So here also you will get the sharing option, projects, okay? Then even we are also integrating with the reels also. Let's say you are also sharing the reels if they're clicking here, and if this user is creating the account, so that would be your users. So that's how, guys, we have integrated this sharing link with all of the, let's say, courses, live courses, books, whatever actually we are having, okay? Either you can directly share this partnership link so that they can also create the account, okay, by using this particular link. And guys, here everything is transparent. That means you can also see everything in real time. That means by using your link, how many actually user click on your link, how many they did the sign up operation, okay, how many actually they purchased that actually course. So everything actually you can see. So here everything is transparent, nothing hidden you will be getting. Even you can also see this transaction details. That means overall your partnership earning, your available balance, even how much Euron is earning through your partnership, okay? So everything is visible, and you can see total 50% of the revenue you will be getting. So here you have to follow this sign up, like how many users are creating through your link. Total click means like how many people are clicking on your link, but total sign up means like how many they're creating the account, okay, by your link. So this is what actually you have to always take care. So yes, guys, this is the things actually I just wanted to let you know. That means now you have the entire flexibility with the Euron. You can also earn money, and everything is transparent here, okay? You can see everything. Everything is given to you. Now just start sharing the link, and also share these things with your friends and family so that they can also get the chance to earn money. So yes, guys, this is what I wanted to let you know. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video, and I will see you next time.